Hi everybody, it's Carly. I am the Sales and Events Manager here at WWOO California, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of our showroom. So when we enter, we start in the Big Green Egg retail room where we house all things Big Green Egg. The first kitchen you see in our showroom is this 5-foot 4-inch white WWOO kitchen. It's 3 segments long, which is 15 feet, and it houses our WWOO brand stainless steel sink. Around the corner, there's this 4-foot 3-inch dark gray WWOO kitchen where we display the integrated gas grill. Next, we're going to head out back, starting with this beautiful 6-foot 6-inch white kitchen. There we have our Forno Piombo Santino 70 pizza oven. And then just around the corner here is our favorite WWOO kitchen on display in our showroom, because look at that Forno Piombo Casa pizza oven. It doesn't get any better than that. Lastly, we have this 6-foot 6-inch light gray, which is my favorite color, and it houses our beautiful South African braai, which you've all seen, we know, and love it. That's all I got.